Here's how you can make a 4-channel unidirectional motor driver for that mini drone you've always wanted to build. To make it, you'll only need 4 diodes, MOSFETs, and resistors, a perf board with a 2x8 space of pads, thin electrical wires, and some solid copper wire. So we can begin by placing all of the MOSFETs first and soldering in one at a time, followed by placing all of the diodes on the board and checking that they sit with the right polarity using a multimeter in diode testing mode. Now we can solder them in, followed by the pull down resistors to pull all of the MOSFET gates low by default. Then we can come in with some 0.3mm copper wire and connect all of the diode cathode pins together with wire hopping from one to another, forming the power rail. Afterward, we'll do the same thing but to connect all of the MOSFET source pins together, forming the ground rail. With that, we can extend the ground and power rails via their unique wires and give each MOSFET gate pin a wire each of different colors. From here, we can trim the board, sand it down to make it lighter in weight, and it is complete. To connect up 4 motors, it's really the same as with a tiny driver board where they connect across each diode. Then we can hook it up to a power supply and test each motor through supplying a voltage to each individual signal wire. With its 4 channels, it is ideally used in RC vehicles such as small drones and planes with 4 motors.